Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily make waiting list on Shopify. So of course, head over to admin.shopify.com and make sure that you log in to your seller account. Then in the new tab, just head over to apps.shopify.com and in the search bar, just search for wait.li. Just install wait.li app. Next is just give access to permissions by clicking on install. So wait.li can help you activate customers, sending them an email and allowing them to exclusively buy your product. You also get a bird's eye view of all your waiting lists and data to help you launch your product. So also a reminder that Wait.li app is a paid plan, so you have an option, the starter option for $11.99 a month, professional for $22.99 a month, and enterprise for $79.99 a month. Then just choose a plan, just choose a payment method, then once done, just click on approve. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!